In this video, I hope to show you a review of Silver Strand State Beach, which is a campground right on the beach on Coronado Island next to San Diego. It's an awesome little campground. You can actually put your wheels of your rig, your RV, in the sand. You can get so close to the beach. In the 4 days we were at the state beach, we were lucky enough to see lots of wildlife, including dolphins, seals, lots of seagulls and whatnot. I'll show you a little bit more of that later in this video. As you enter the campground, you make a hard left into the campground, where you check in at the front cabin area and get your permits. Here's the campground. Spot 137, pretty killer, because it's right at the very end. Let's see it again. And you got the beach. Silver Strand State Beach, California. It's the naval base. And we got Navy ship coming in. Pretty nice. The other way, it's just... The ideal camping spot is obviously right along the beach. Those sites are a little bit more money, $65 versus being inland at $50. And they have some bathrooms, but the park hours are 7 to 7, so you have to be wise and check in the bathrooms if you want to use them. Each site has water and electric, and you can put the wheels of your rig in the sand, even in some spots if you're along the beach. Beach is awesome. It's not crowded. We were able to spend 4 days there, basically having the beach to ourselves along with the other campers. And we were visited by some sea lions that were a lot of fun, in addition to the other wildlife. It was fun to see the seals, but the dolphins, I think, were the highlight of the trip. We enjoyed watching them play in the surf and tried to ride the surface spots.
Oh, riding the wave, the dolphins. Oh, look at that. See, they're riding that wave. Yeah, 1, 2, there's 3 of them. I see at least 3 pins, 4 pins. See that work?
We really enjoyed the dolphins, but we also collected sand dollars and seashells along the beach. Some of them fully intact, although they were hard to find. The highlight, though, of the several days we were there were the dolphins. They were fun to watch, but we also enjoyed the Coast Guard flying up and down the coastline, and just the quietness of the beach. Not many people along the beach, other than a lot of seagulls and whatnot that will take your food. The roads were quiet. We enjoyed riding our bikes, and there were some parasails going on. People flying kites and whatnot along the shoreline as well. But overall, the campground was excellent. A little bit crowded because it is somewhat like a parking lot, but hard to beat the fact that you got your wheels in the sand. We played in the waves quite a bit, even though it was February and the water was chilly. Still a fun place to be for several days. If you like this content and you enjoy camping, adventures, backpacking, and RVing, Please like our channel and subscribe. That would be awesome. Into our next adventure. Thank you for watching.